3D Puff Embroidery Digitizing. You must have come across what look like thick, protruding designs on baseball caps or on snapbacks. Those prominent 3D patterns look so cool. But have you ever thought about what goes into embroidering such designs? Let's find out. The deep, projecting 3D effect comes from the use of 3D embroidery foam. This is where the term 3D puff embroidery comes from. The use of puff raises the height of the design and thus, by increasing the depth, it renders a 3D effect. Mastering 3D embroidery means having an edge over your competitors. Therefore, here are the industry best practices for 3D embroidery. Selecting the optimum machine speed. Deciding an optimum machine speed is important as it has a significant impact on the quality of the embroidered designs. Many times you might be required to operate the machine with a slower speed as compared to the speed you usually select for your everyday orders. Choice of fabric. Avoid using delicate and slippery fabrics with 3D puffs. There are two reasons for it. Firstly, the fabric is more susceptible to in-hoop movement while working with foam. Secondly, the stitch density in 3D puff embroidery is higher than normal designs. Choosing sharp needles. When working with 3D designs, choose sharp needles which can easily make perforations through the foam. Easy and more perforations mean that the foam can be easily removed afterward. Choice of foam. The choice of foam mainly depends on the height of the design you want to embroider. The more 3D or protruding effect you want, the thicker the foam should be. This in turn will increase the height of the design. 3D Puff Embroidery Digitizing. Digitizing for 3D puff embroidery designs is a tricky as well as an integral part of the process. Use longer stitches while working on 3D puff embroidery designs. Digitized designs with strong underlay border and satin stitches work best with puffs. Here are the services that we specialize in: Logo Digitizing, Patch Digitizing, Image Digitizing, Cap Digitizing, Applique Digitizing, Left Chest Digitizing, 3D Puff Embroidery, Digitizing Pocket Embroidery, Punch Jacket Back Digitizing, Sequin Digitizing, Chenille Patch Digitizing, Chain Stitch Embroidery Digitizing, Embroidery Outline Stitch, Visor Embroidery, PunchTowel, Punch Embroidery, Monogram Digitizing, Badge Digitizing, Bridal Wear Wedding Embroidery.